everyone, it's Heather from Heather Travels, and we are here on Mackinac Island, and we are in our room at the Pontiac Lodge. And I've never stayed here before. I'd heard of it before. This was one of the least expensive options I could find for us to stay. I will tell you that rooms on Mackinac Island are quite expensive. We are here on a Tuesday night and a Wednesday night, so the prices should be lower than they would be on the weekends. It is still pretty early in the season. They got kind of a late start to the season this year in 2020 because of the pandemic. We're paying, it was $225 a night, wasn't it, Megan? Yeah, $225 a night, because there was another place I was considering that was a little cheaper, but we just really liked these rooms more, the look of the rooms. And Megan said, "Look, Mom, it's only a difference of $5 a night." And I went, "Oh, you're right. I might as well get the place we like more." And the location of this hotel is very convenient. It was literally less than half a block walk from the ferry dock where we took the ferry over from St. Ignace. So I'm going to give you a tour. I'll show you out front and how we get to our room, and then I'll give you a tour of the room. So staying at the Pontiac Lodge. The Shepler's dock is straight down there, and the office is right there. And then go up the stairs here, and there's just like a U-shaped hallway here, smoke-free, and there's not too many rooms. There's some nice nautical artwork. Here's the laundry, the Mackinac Bridge, and we are in room 20, which faces, there's some vending machines, or a pop machine, an empty vending machine, and an ice machine. There's some rooms up there, and there's some more up there. That goes back out to the stairs. And this is our room, room 20. The keys were in this little lockbox. Okay, when you come in the door, right here to the right is the closet, like a little open closet, and the ironing board is in there, but the iron is somewhere totally different, which I will show you in a minute. And here on the back of the door, you can see the map. So where I came in from, the stairs are like here, and I came in here and walked past these rooms. Here's the vending area, and here's our room. Then that's just empty. I don't know what's in there. And then there's just 3 more rooms over here, and then you go back outside. Okay, and here on the right is the bathroom, which is very nicely done. Nice tile on the floor. It's like been remodeled. There's climate control. Nice sink here. Mirror with lights over it. The toilet is kind of tucked back by itself back there. And then there's just this very nicely tiled stall shower with some hooks right there. I like this little picture on the wall. There is no daily housekeeping right now. We do seem to have plenty of towels, so if we need something, we're just supposed to call the desk. And there is a mirror here. It is not a full-length mirror, but it's pretty big. And there's 2 wicker chairs here with a table. Sorry about all our stuff. And then there's a kind of credenza thing with our kids' suitcases on it with a TV above. And look, there's the iron. It's way over here in this corner with a couple hooks, and so you'd have to like bring the ironing board over here if you were going to use the iron. And then we have this very nice, you can see a ferry going off right there. Very nice view of, we're right on the main street. There's a bike rental right across the street, and the dock where we came in, Shepler's dock, is right there. And there's these very nice sailboat pictures above the beds. And there's these nice nautical pillows on the beds. It's 2 queen beds. And I really like this lamp with and I feel really bad because I did not bring any cash to leave housekeeping a tip. I might want to go to the ATM and get some. And then over here in the corner, I've got my stuff on the luggage rack. There is a phone. There's like a little kitchenette with a sink and paper towels and a mini fridge and trash and a microwave and a coffee maker. And I really like these lights. And there's the air conditioning. And I really like this blue feature wall behind the beds. It is much more spacious than I was expecting. I don't know why from the pictures I thought that it might be small, but it's very nice. So, like it a lot. We're here for 2 nights. So that is our room here at the Pontiac Lodge. And again, we are here for 2 nights. And it's nice and cool and quiet in here. I can hear a little bit of distant music. Do you guys hear that?
Yeah.
But I don't even hear the horses going by. Do you, Ben?
No, because there's not really any.
Yeah, it seems to be pretty soundproof to the street. So that's nice because, you know, sometimes when you stay right downtown here, you might have the concern of noise from the main street, which is very busy. But we're quite happy with this room, and I thank you all for joining me. If you enjoy hotel room tours like this and other travel content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Thank you, everyone, and safe travels.